Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today on Saturday, October the 3rd, 2020. We have here 8 extra Sudokus. Sudoku 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. Tectonic number 1, tectonic number 2, binary number 1, and a binary number 2, so total of 8 extra Sudokus. And the first one is a Sudoku with 1 star, and this will be a number 1679. Yes, the numbering, I've made a mistake in the previous video. In the previous video with the quintuplet, I've numbered 1677. It should be 1678. So this one is 1679. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. In this Sudoku, I've already counted. There are, as usual, 27 printed digits. The 1 star is always 27, the 2 stars 26, 3 stars 25, and the 4 stars 24. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number shall I pick. How about the number? The number. Let me see. I scan the puzzle. 5, 1, 3, 2. Alright, we have a 1 in this row. The first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6s in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. The other 3 numbers in this row, in the third row, the missing numbers here are the 4, the 7, and the 8. 4, 7, 8, and look, we have a 4 and a 7 in this column, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. I cannot fill this directly, so you can follow it easier. 1 box left in this row for the number 8. Then 2 boxes left in this big square. Those numbers are the 7 and the 4. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 4 goes here. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. Those numbers are the 9 and the 5. 9 and the 5. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 4 in this column. 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 1 number left in the first row for the number 9. Then let me see. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so the third column, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Alright. Then. How about let me see. We have a 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column, so in the first column, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then. 1, 2, 3. These 2 numbers in this column should be the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this third column for the number 3. Yes. Alright. How about these 2 numbers in the second column? Those numbers are the 8 and the 4 are missing. 8 and the 4. We see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Then, 1, 2. Alright. Let me see. How about the 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row? So in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Yes, we have a pair in this big square. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 8. We see here 2 and the 8, so no 2 and the 8 in this box. We see there a 2 and the 8. So no 2 and the 8 in that box. So 2 boxes left for the 2 and the 8. So the 2 and the 8 goes as pair. Let me mark them for you. 2 and the 8. That means the other 2 numbers in this big square are for the numbers 9 and 7. 9 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Well, we have 2 numbers left in this row, the 2 and the 8, 2 and the 8. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. Then 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. The other 2 numbers in this big square for the number 6 and 4. I cannot fill this right away, so I need to mark them. Alright, 6 and 4. How about the following number? 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. We see there 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. We need to wait. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 2. Then 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 6 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 6. And then how about the 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row, so in the row between, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Yes. Digit number 4. Alright. 1 digit left in this column for the number 1. 1 in this column. 1 in the column next, the middle column. So in that column, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 6. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. We see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 6 here, so this can't be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be the 4. Now we have 4 here, so this can't be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 7. Finish in 14 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute. I will continue with the 2 stars Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.